Old compressor, new compressor. Old seals, new seals. Looks like somebody put dye in that a long time ago. Ugh. Anyway, here's the yucky. Comes out pretty easy. Like I said, 3 bolts, 2 connectors. Snaked right in through here. Bloop, bloop. Done deal. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. So now we're going to get ready to put the new one in. All right. Our new compressor is in. It's our new condenser. Got to take the studs out of the old one, put them in, no big deal. Getting ready to slip that in. Then I'm going to put new seals on it, on the lines here. Get that in and done. Get this buttoned up. Get the vacuum pump on this damn thing. And while that's doing its thing, I can put the belt back on. Oh yeah, we're getting. All right, we're charging. Everything's back together. I'll let her do her thing. And away we go. Just gonna let her throw pressures. Got new compressors in. Looking nice. Everything's copacetic. Got our fans on. Nice and cool. Yay! Grant is gonna be happy. Just like that. Nice and cold.